welcome back to my channel. Today I'm about to start the coordinate geometry. Okay, so I'll start by definition. Coordinate geometry is a branch of mathematics in which we study geometry along with algebra by using different algebraic equations and formula to describe and analyze geometric shapes and their properties in a coordinate plane. Okay, we have already studied in class 9. Hope so you all will know this coordinate plane. Okay, so coordinate geometry is a branch of mathematics in which we study geometry. So we are about to study in this chapter geometry along with the algebra by using different algebraic equations. Okay, हम लोग क्या use कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर geometry तो we are going to study, but हम लोग क्या use कर रहा है इसमें different algebraic equations and formulas क्या describe करने के लिए and analyze geometric shapes and their properties in a coordinate plane. It allows for precise location and relationship between the points, lines and figure. So we will have a coordinate plane, and in that plane we have to precise a location and relationship between the points, lines and figures. So this is a graph. Okay, so we have already learned in class 9. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So x-axis and x-axis, y-axis and y-axis. So from origin it goes positive and goes infinitely many numbers. Likewise here it also goes positive. From here also it's negative and negative. So this space, this plane we call as first quadrant. Okay, and this is second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So here it will be plus comma plus, minus plus, minus minus, because minus minus, and here minus plus. So this is a O and origin. Okay, where these two lines intersect. Okay, and we call it this is origin, where we denote as 0 comma 0. So this is again graph. Okay, so this is y-axis and y dash, x-axis and x dash axis. This line is called vertical line, this line is called horizontal line, isn't it? So ये क्या है, ये एक पॉइंट दिया गया है. ओके, सपोज ये पॉइंट में कौन सा वाला आएगा यहाँ पर, ये पॉइंट एंड दिस पॉइंट. ओके, सो क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग इसमें 2.5, 3, isn't it? So ये पॉइंट को हम लोग क्या बोलता है, कोऑर्डिनेट प्लेन और कार्टेशियन प्लेन. Okay, now here suppose here also I have given one question K. Okay, what is the coordinates of a point K? क्या होगा ये इसका coordinate? So answer is -2 and +2. So जो माइनस होगा उसको क्या बोलते हैं, y कोऑर्डिनेट और ऑर्डिनेट भी बोलता है, और जो प्लस का साइन होता है ना, और x कोऑर्डिनेट और FC का बोलता है. So coordinates axis, that is plural, are of perpendicular lines x O, x dash and y O, y dash intersecting at O. This is the one. The plane is divided into 4 quadrants by the axis. First, second, third and fourth. I have already explained it in a graph. Okay. The Cartesian plane, that is we can also call coordinate plane, is the plane that contains the axis, that is x-axis and y-axis. Okay. The lines XO, X dash and YO, Y dash are known as x-axis and y-axis respectively. Okay, इसका क्या बोलते हैं, x-axis and y-axis respectively, and commonly drawn as vertically and horizontally and vertically. Okay, O is the point of intersection of the axis which is known as origin. O is a क्या बोलता है, पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ एक्सिस, मतलब एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस, उसको क्या बोलता है हम लोग, ओरिजिन बोलता है. FC are the values of x measured along the x-axis from O, that is in the origin. X has positive values along OX but negative values along OX dash. Example, this is my graph. Okay, So it is having Abscissa are values of the x measured along the x-axis from O. X has positive values, isn't it? X has, so one is x and x dash, isn't it? X has positive value. That means if we go this side, it will be positive values. Okay, but negative value along the OX dash. Okay, it is saying here. And Y has positive values. That means Y has positive along the Y has positive values along O, that is OY, but negative values along OY dash. Okay, the distance of a point from Y axis is called as x coordinate or abscissa. Distance of a point from Y axis, okay, is called क्या बोलता है, x coordinate या abscissa बोलता है. Distance of a point from x axis is called as Y coordinate or ordinate बोलता है. The coordinate of a point on the x-axis are of the form x and x, O, and of a point on the y-axis are of the form O, Y. The coordinate in coordinate geometry, when lines intersect, okay, coordinate when line intersects, okay, at the origin, this is your origin, it means the point of intersection has the coordinates. Okay, that means that origin is having 0, 0. Okay, these questions came in all your board exams, so I have just underlined it here, because the origin is a point where the x-axis and y-axis, that is horizontal and vertical lines, are intersect.